Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to change DNS on Google Chrome iPhone. So what you need to do is head over to your settings at first and then go to Wi-Fi. From there, whichever Wi-Fi network you're connected to, there will be an eye icon. So you want to click on that and then scroll down until you find the DNS section. From there, you want to click on Configure DNS. And for manual, if it's an IPv4, you want to type in 8.8.8.8, and in the below one you want to type in 8.8.4.4, and if you have IPv6, then what you'll do is do 2001 colon 4860 colon 4860 double colon 8888, and in the below one you'll put 2001 colon 4860 colon 4860 double colon 8844, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.